Alright guys, let's start off this amazing garlic lemon butter pan seared salmon. So first off, you're going to want to get 2 cloves of garlic, and we're just going to make some garlic chips. So there's going to be a side of garlic chips on our salmon later on for a nice crunchy bite. But if you don't like that, then go ahead and mince the garlic. But first off, we're going to peel the garlic, and then we're going to slice them about really thin slices. We don't want any like really thick slices, so make it really thin, okay? So let's go. Alright, once you're done slicing your garlic, we're going to go ahead and get some lemon and make some lemon slices to go on for garnish later on. So go ahead and get yourself a whole lemon, or if you have a lemon that has been used, like half of it, and you have the other half, then go ahead and grab that. And you're going to want to do a 1/4 inch slice, and that's perfect for later on. Alright, now we got our salmon. So I'm using a fresh Atlantic wild salmon, and we're just gonna make it nice and even and make it look presentable later on. So I just cut off the piece that was like sticking out, and look how beautiful this piece is now. So we're gonna lightly season our salmon with some sea salt. Around 1/4 teaspoon is all you need for both sides. Not too much, because you don't want to be eating salty salmon. So yeah, just like that. And then right after, we're gonna start searing off our salmon. Alright, now you just want to preheat a pan at medium-high heat. Add in some basting oil or olive oil. I prefer basting oil because it has flavoring in it, which is amazing. And add in about 1 tablespoon of oil. And you're going to want to preheat this for around 2 minutes. And to test it out, you're going to put the little piece of salmon in it. And if it starts sizzling, then your oil is ready. So go ahead and try it. And if it starts sizzling, just slap it right on. So we're going to be searing off the small one for around 1 minute to 1.5 minutes, and the big one for around 2 to 2.5 minutes. So once your minute has passed, just flip your little piece of salmon and add in 1/2 tablespoon of butter. This provides a lot of flavor, and then add in some of the garlic chips into it. In about 1 minute, we're going to flip our salmon, just like right now. Flip it over, and look how amazing it is. And we're gonna do the same procedure like to the small one. And we're gonna add in some butter, some more butter, some garlic chips, and some fresh black pepper. And you're gonna want to let this sear for around 2 minutes. Alright, once we added in our garlic chips, you're gonna want to start basting the salmons. So go ahead and tilt your pan and just start basting everything. And we're gonna do this for around 1 minute tops. We don't want some dry salmon. Well, this provides juice for it, so yeah, either or, cancel that. So just keep basting it. Once your minute is done, we're gonna remove the small salmon. This was about 30 seconds. And remove some of the garlic chips that are starting to burn, because we don't want bitter garlic chips. Alright, once the salmon is done, look at the amazing crust you get on that side. That's what it should look like. Now we're going to start garnishing our plate, make it look presentable. We're going to add in the garlic chips. We're going to add in some of that amazing butter sauce on top of the salmon. And oh my gosh, it's mouth-watering already. Just like that, get some cool designs on it. Don't worry, we're gonna make it look much prettier. And don't forget your fresh lemon slice. This provides a lot of citrus flavor later on, which is amazing. And boom, I got these amazing flowers. We're just gonna put one as presentation. Picked out one of the ones that are the blue mist, and just gonna lay it on the plate and look at our final product. I'll see you guys at the taste test. Alright guys, here is the salmon. I am not eating the whole entire thing. That was for 2 people. If you guys aren't that hungry, so I'm not that hungry, so it's for 2 people. Okay, so here we go. Look at the amazing crust that has been developed in the scampi pan. This is awesome. This is like restaurant quality right here. Alright. Salmon's perfectly salted. We didn't overly salt it. This truly tastes like something you would get at a restaurant. The butter sauce, packed with flavor. This costs only about $5 to make, and the salmon not dry. Like, the basting method that we did just locks in the juices. This is truly better than some restaurants. Some restaurants' salmon is like so dry. It's like disgusting to eat. This locked in with bunch of moisture. And then we got the little fried garlic chips. This is all just blends in so well. And then we got the lemon. So citrusy. The sauce is literally drinkable. You can mix this with some pasta, some mashed potatoes, anything you really desire. It's truly amazing. And then we got this nice pretty flower that I grew. Well, that is it, guys. Please be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more future content. Bye.